Welcome, my fellow trader. This is once again where we dissect market outlook. We look at the recap and we look at what's the next week going to give us. Like we normally do, we will talk about DXY, we talk about Euro USD, we talk about Pounds USD, we talk about Nasdaq, S&P 500, US30, last but not the least, gold. Without wasting much of our time, if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button. All right, we will starting with today analysis with DXY. We head straight to DXY. As you can see, market close at 99.716. This is a monthly chart. Month had just ended. So this is how our chart looks. Obviously, in a monthly chart, seems like we are heading, we are going to be bullish on a monthly chart. The monthly candle just ended some hours ago. So this is a monthly chart. We close in a very bullish candlestick. So I'll still be the next expectation here will be 50% of this week and midpoint of this 3 months fair value gap. This is a monthly analysis. This is monthly analysis. Bear that in mind. So we head to weekly charts. Weekly close in a very bullish level also. We will want this level, this liquidity, that this liquidity kind of trend line to be taken out. Yeah, I'll be expecting that to take out. Then after that, 50% of this I will be interested. 50% of that. Then we head to daily. Daily, we open this week. This is the Friday close. We open bearish. Second Tuesday, we made a low of the week. Then we rally. The rest is the history. So coming to this week, are we expecting price to keep pushing high? Take this trend line liquidity. Then the next will be if price we use this. There is a little fair value gap here. If price we use this, so maybe price can tap into the fair value gap. So if price tap into here, then we will continue to expect bullish DXY. All right, guys, that is that for DXY. Then we head to Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Like you see here, something interesting happened this week. Quite all right. Let me just briefly explain that. This week, I was actually you can see the line I dropped previous week. So I was expecting price to immediately drop here, then give us opportunities to short, but that did not happen. Then we had a bullish day, bullish Monday. Then we had this fantastic rejection, signaling weakness of markets. So FOMC meeting drop price. We had just 2 day up, then 3 days down. We made the high of the week on Tuesday, then the rest is history. So this week also, this coming week, I will be expecting some a little bit, maybe little bit retracement here and there before we continue to push down. That will be my expectation on Euro USD, then Euro USD. So you see, as you can see that all of this has balanced. All of this on daily chart. The only place that's left unbalanced is this Wednesday low and Friday high. So I'm kind of expecting price to maybe he can tap it up, might not. So and continue to push lower. Then we get to lower time frame. This is 4 hours. So you see there's still a liquidity here. So price might just rally here, like here, rally here, then drop. I will be expecting, or even from this 4 hour candle price, I will be watching on the lower time frame anyway. But my main focus will be this daily fair value gap. So I will be expecting price to come to that level, then drop lower. Then that month just ended, so it's more or less the same thing, that same expectation. So this September low, probably we might have a retracement to that level before we price drop lower. Then weekly, we still have a very strong bearish candle. So these are on a weekly time frame. I'll be expecting to get to 1.142, and next one will be 1.1. These are the level I will be watching closely. Overall bearish on Euro USD. Then we head to pounds USD. Pounds USD. Yeah, for so many weeks now, I have been expecting price to tap into this monthly fair value gap, and that actually happened. So what will be the next? I will still expect, because month just ended, I will still expect a little bit lower price, and I'll be watching 50% of this down close candle, something like this. I will be watching this level from here to here. So 50% of this, I'll be watching price from 50% of this, maybe. So at least we might get to here. We might just come here, then we move immediately. Remember, this is a monthly chart, so we still have a lot of time to get to that level. Then the way it looks right now on a weekly chart, I'm still going to be expecting lower prices. I'm still going to be expecting lower prices, especially the lower part of this price will get to lower part of this monthly fair value gap. So I will be watching that closely. Then on daily time frame, I will be expecting some push up. I'll expect some price to push to this fair value gap, because this is still where price is yet to be balanced. And if we go to a lower time frame, see like this place also, we still have this level too. So these are the levels we should be mindful of. Yeah. So I'll be watching this level. If we have some signature to continue to go down, we rally up here, then we have some signature to come lower. That is that for that. Then that will be my that for pounds USD. Then I head to Nasdaq. Nasdaq chart on a monthly chart has been for how many months now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 months we have been bullish. Probably we might have some cool from we might have some cooling. Okay, we might have some cooling, and if we are don't know how low, how much retracement we might likely have here, but I'm expecting some cooling on monthly charts. We should have some cooling because we have been firing up for so long. So I will be expecting some cooling if we have then on weekly time frame. Yeah, we had this something that looks like is it Pimba, but not that really well defined. So price can easily continue to go up. Then we head to weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame, we have something very interesting. On a weekly time frame, we had this. This is on a weekly time frame. How this Baduga here. So the way it looks here, the way it looks at this point, I will be watching what price do at this level. Normally, in a playbook scenario, you should expect something like this. That price will just from here then continue to go up. But no, in market anything can happen. So I will still be expecting a deeper retracement. At least this this volume imbalance to me should be filled up. I would have loved the volume imbalance to get filled up. I would have loved a situation where it gets filled up. So I was expecting a little bit retracement to this favor volume imbalance. Probably we get it filled up before we know what will happen. So that will be my alt for this is my expectation on Nasdaq. So I'm expecting price to keep on come to fill this level. That will be my my immediate expectation. Then S&P 500. We head to monthly. Same thing that happened the other side. We have been on this bullish run for so much. How many months now? Okay. How many months we have been on bullish? So I will expect some cooling on monthly if possible. Maybe, or we might continue to go up, but we will be looking at price Weekly recap, we'll be looking what price will be doing. On monthly time frame, we cannot predict top anyway. So this is our weekly charts. We had a pin bar here on a weekly chart, so we don't know. Overall on weekly is bullish, but we might expect some retracements even to come and fill this level also. This level is 50% of this. Fill this volume imbalance well. Then we head to daily time frame. On a daily time frame, you see the way price is actually rejecting this, trying uh, to respect this volume imbalance. So I will be watching price reaction to this level. You must give a daily signal to go up before you might try to buy this. Cannot just buy from this level. Or we might have something like this, then we retrace back, then we fail to take this high, then we collapse and continue to give something like this. But we will keep on seeing what market is trying to provide, not what we think. We watch what market is trying to do. So that will be my expectation on this S&P 500. Then we head to US 30. US 30, the same thing, the same playbook on each of these. The same playbook, nothing spectacular. Maybe we can see a deeper retracement. Then on monthly, nothing is so obvious. We rather had one, two, three, four, five, six and pin bar monthly candle. At least you're supposed to have some cool off. Come on, you're supposed to have some cool off. We have been on a bullish run for a long time. So on weekly, maybe we see it's not yet defined, not yet defined. And if you watch this, you see that price is respecting this volume imbalance so much. Price is respecting this anyway. US30 rather I wanted to talk about. This is US30 I wanted to talk about. Sorry. Um, US30. Okay. So on a weekly time frame, not clear, but we should go to lower time frame to see. Okay. On daily, we are rejecting price is rejecting this volume imbalance. Price is sincerely rejecting this volume imbalance. So we 4 hour time frame. Nothing is very obvious here, but we see what price wanted to do. Then we head to gold. Gold, gold is 4,002 $4,002. Check monthly time frame. Monthly time frame looks like something like pin bar, not well defined on monthly. Then weekly is showing us sign of bullish. So price is respecting this fair value gap. See the price, the way price came to below this, tap it, then retrace back. So we will be watching what price we do here. Okay, we'll be watching what we will do on the lower time frame. Okay, this is a daily time frame. The way it looks here, price wanted to go up. The way the price is looking here, we want to go up because we tap into here to this favor for our daily favor. We tap into it, then we fail to take out this low, so we close above it again. 4 hour, we nothing so clear of 4 hour, nothing so clear of 4 hour, then 2 hour. Okay, still bearish. So maybe we still have some bearishness. Then we use anywhere from here. Then try to know if we can go up. All right, my fellow trader, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice